Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to save Instagram videos and posts directly to your device. It is a very straightforward process. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Instagram download. Several options will appear. Look for the specific one I am highlighting, Video Downloader for Instagram. You can verify it by its 50 million plus downloads and a 4.8 star rating. Tap the Install button. The file size is small, so the download should finish quickly. Once installed, your device might run a security scan, but the app is perfectly safe to use. Go ahead and tap Open. When the app launches, you will see a brief tutorial, but I will guide you through it now to save time. Switch over to the Instagram app and find the video you wish to save. Tap the three dots located at the bottom of the post. From the menu that appears, select the Share option. Choose the Downloader app from your sharing list. If the link doesn't load the first time, simply repeat those steps. The app will then analyze the content. Since this is a free tool supported by ads, a short advertisement may play. Just close it once it finishes. Now, hit the download button. The process is very fast, and you will see a download complete notification. To view your save file, tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. Your video is now ready. You can edit it, add music, or share it as you like. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. See you in the next one.